Hello children, today we are going to learn our lesson My Body. Okay, all of you know My Body. You are also learned this lesson in previous class. Now our body is worked as a teamwork. Okay, and keep us active and healthy. Our body is having a many parts. Now some parts of our body is big and some are small. Now some parts of the body are on the outside and can be seen. They are called external parts, and some parts are inside the body and are called internal parts. Now which body parts we are seen externally? We are seen these are the external parts, and which body parts we are not seen but they are present in our body, they are the internal parts. Now which are the external parts here? Head, arm, legs, feet, fingers, toes and hands. These are the external body parts. Because why they are external? Because we are seen easily. These body parts we are seen our eyes easily. Okay, so these are the external parts. And which body parts we are not seen easily but they are present? These are the internal. Now which are these we see here? Now brain is inside our head. It is help us think. It also tell the other organs of the body which task to do and when. Brain is most important part of our body. Okay, it is present in our head and it helps to tell the other organ of the body which task to do and when. Now next one is the heart. Now heart pump blood to different part of the body and helps keep it alive. Now hearts help to pump the blood and supply it all parts of the body and keep us alive. Okay. Now next one is the lungs. Now we have two lungs. See, lungs picture is given here. We have two lungs and these help us breathing in air. When we take the breathing, that time these lungs are play a most important role in the breathing. Now next one is the stomach and intestine. Now all of you know stomach. Okay. Now our stomach is a bag like part. The small intestine and large intestine are tube-like parts of the body. The stomach and the intestine help in digesting food so that the body can use them to get energy. Now all of you know stomach. Okay, inside the stomach. Now stomach is a bag-like structure. When we eat the food, this food is stored in the stomach. Here, this is the stomach. Now when we eat the food, that time this food is stored in the stomach and it get to digest with the help of small intestine and large intestine. These are two types of intestine help to digest the food, and when the food is digested, that time we get energy from the food. Now next one we see here, which is the next one part? Liver. Liver is the next one part. Now we have one liver. See, liver figure is given here. We have one liver. It produces juice that helps us digest our food. Now we have one liver. It produces juice that helps us digest our food. When we eat the food, this food is digested in our stomach with the help of large intestine and small intestine. Now that time one type of juice is needed for digestion. This type of juice is secreted by this liver. Okay. And kidney. We have two kidneys shaped like beans. See here. This is the bean like shaped two kidneys. Okay. This shape looks like a bean. All of you know bean. They remove waste from the blood. Now kidney helps to remove waste from our blood. Now bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. All of you know bones and muscles. Now bones give support to our body and muscles give shape to it. When we have 206 bones and more than 900 muscles in our body. How many bones in our body? 206 bones and more than 900 muscles in our body. The skin covers the muscles of our body. You know, the skin is outermost part of our body. It is the coverage of the body. Skin covers the muscles of our body. Now do you know the skin is larger than any parts of the body. You know, this is the skin. Now the skin is larger than other parts of the body because whole body is covered by skin. Now taking care of our body. Now our body is most important to us. Okay. So to keep and healthy and active, we have also take care of our body. We should be taking care of our body. Okay. That time when we take care of our body, that time our body is keep us healthy and active. Okay. Thank you.